Good morning, friends. How are you doing? Hope you are doing well. So it's good morning. It's very cold in Bangalore. So I'll just show you the weather. You can just see how cold it is. It's very cold. It's about 9 in the morning, and I have to go out for work. And then I thought, okay, I will make something, my kitchen duty in the morning. So today what I'm going to make. I don't know what I'm going to make. I'm not a very good cook. So today I'm going to prepare. Yesterday I went to the grocery store and I got this the sunrise. This is not a promotional video, but I just got it. A Shoshe Posto powder. This is some kind of gourd, but I don't know. It's a bottle gourd, rich gourd. This is rich gourd. This is bok choy. This is bok choy. So with bok choy, I'm going to make uh, make something. Uh, just boil it maybe. And this is a brinjal. So this brinjal goes here. This goes here. The rich gourd, and I'm going to take first. What I need to do is I need to take a small 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 cup like this. It's very difficult to do video and cook, but I'm trying. If I need a tripod, but I have ordered a tripod, but I don't know, since 2 months I'm ordering a tripod. Amazon has not given me. पता नहीं Amazon को क्या हो गया, नहीं दे रहा है. anyways ओके. सो मैं थोड़ा अपना फैमिली के बारे में बोलती हूँ. मेरा जो किचन है, मेरा किचन में बहुत लोग घुसते हैं. फर्स्ट मेरी जो मम्मी की जो नर्स है, उसको सबसे बड़ा क्या बोलूँ, सबसे बड़ा मैं चश्मा ही खोल लेती हूँ. आई डोंट हैव पावर, सो वाई शुड आई वेयर स्पेक्स. I just wear it because I had light sensitivity. Okay, so I'm pouring now thing. This I'm now still sleepy, so still sleepy and anxiety. Okay, anxiety, yes, anxiety is less now, but still. So this is there. So this is there. So okay, so this is the Shoshe Posto powder, and I have to take a spoon. This is the spoon I'm taking, and this is like a little water, and so I'm just up after an 18-hour of fasting. Last I had 2 o'clock my lunch. Yesterday 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. I had my last lunch. Then I didn't have anything. So this is the paste, Shoshe Posto paste. It smells very good, but I don't know how it's going to be. So now I have to cut the brinjal and the rich gourd and one potato that I'm going to do. Okay, so just give me a sec, please. So this I have cut. Uh, this is the brinjal, um, which I have cut into longitudinal pieces. So my English will be like this only because I have been speaking like this for some time now. So and this is also into longitudinal uh, uh, cuts. Then I have to wash. I will wash. It's so cold water. Just see, बहुत ठंडा पानी है. मुझे बहुत मुश्किल होता है. But anyway, I'm managing. And then I'm shooting also for you, which is also बहुत ठंडा. हाथ लाल होते जा रहा है जी. Hands are becoming red. All of the people say I'm little sensitive. I'm little sensitive. I mean, okay. Bangalore is not that cold also. It's a very nice weather here. So it's done nicely. So since I won't be eating this veggie, I will be preparing something else for me and I will show it to you. So this is there, this is cut, and then I'll come back. I'm coming back. So I'm putting some oil in this. Just see. Just see, I'm putting some oil in this, and now I have to fry the brinjal. Not it's too much oil, but I'm not taking it. But anyway, this whatever I have lost weight, 17 kgs. In that there is one component. One is the time, intermittent fasting, the time window in which you have your lunch, dinner, lunch, breakfast and lunch. That should be there should be a sufficient intermittent fasting gap. And the second thing is this, that this I'm preparing for everyone else in the house, but not for me. So I will have a different kind of diet which I'm going to show you. So this is going to take some time. So I'm going to just put this into the brinjal into this for frying. Ouch! This for frying, and then I will put a little salt to it. Little salt. Oh, you should know that I have anxiety, so I get anxious with small things also. So this I have done. See, okay, now let me show you what I bought yesterday. So yesterday I did a shopping, and let me show you what I bought yesterday. So I know things are very not in a very arranged way of things, but still it's morning. So So I bought this mm, this t-shirt from Puma. It's a totally moisture management kind of thing, um, and what is the cost? Okay, okay, this costs around around 2799, almost 3000. This t-shirt costs around 3000. I needed it because since I have to go out for gym and walk and everything, I needed that. And it's a 100% recycled material. I do love recycle. It's like sustainability for our earth. So after cooking, I do love cooking, but cooking, this is like nobody can speak anything. This is getting fried. फ्राई हो रहा है. मुझे पता नहीं चलता, मुझे इंग्लिश में मैं वीडियो करती हूँ तो रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिलता है. मैं हिंदी में करती हूँ तो भी आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हैं. मैं कौन सी भाषा बोलूँ आप बताइए. हब्रू में बोलूँ, फ्रेंच में बनाऊँ. मुझे फ्रेंच भी आता है. तो ये हो गया. और ये देखिए हमारी मैडम उज़ैल आ गई है. मैडम उज़ैल मेरा क्या है. हाय बोल, हाय बोल, हाय बोल मेरे. हाय. मैडम उज़ैल is angry today. Okay. Now I'm just focusing it in another way. So now, actually in the morning I should be doing my Surya Namaskars, but I do it in the evening. Means whenever I find time from my work and all. So Mademoiselle is preparing morning breakfast. It's almost early morning here in Bangalore. So every day I don't cook. Some days I cook and some days I don't cook. So the days I cook, I will put this video. The days I don't cook, I will put some other video. Sometimes I will put a small breakfast thing. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I had put some little. I think this thing. It's a totally. So I'll just come back. So this is fried. I have fried it. So now I'm going to put some of something. I don't know what to put. Okay, I will put. Okay. So I will put little of this kala jeera, kalonji, black cumin seeds in this, and it's done. And then I will put all this, the rest, the rich gourd and the potato. This she has mixed the dosa batter which she is going to, they are going to take. I'm going to take, have my fruits and this thing. Fruits and please ignore the background sound because they shout, Mademoiselle shouts without any reason. Mademoiselle shouts without any reason. He's always shouting at me. So, no, I'm just so sleepy now. Okay, this is getting done. Okay, just give me a second, and this has to be a little bit of salt. Little salt. This much salt is okay. I go like very easy on salt. This is salt, and this is like little sugar, little sugar, little sugar, sugar, and then I will put little because I'm not a very good cook per se, but okay, बना ही लेती हूँ कुछ ना कुछ, because and let me put a little haldi in this. Haldi is an Indian turmeric. It's a turmeric. What I'm talking, I'm just so sleepy in the morning. So turmeric. So that's very good for inflammation and so. Because since I still have a little bit of a knee inflammation because of running. Okay, so let me come back. This morning I'm very hard pressed for time to go out. Very hard pressed for time. So I'm having my first sip of tea along with cooking. So both things are done simultaneously. So after 18 hours of fasting, I'm having my first tea. Let's see, it's getting done. And today I really don't have time for my cooking. So what I will do, I had this bok choy. I'll take this bok choy and this brinjal I will not have. I have brinjal from yesterday's. This bok choy and this paneer I have. This is again not a promotional video. This is a fresh malai paneer. This I'm going to have, and I'm going to have this only today and not anything else. This breakfast I'm going to have these fruits, papaya, apple and guava. That's it. And after this I'm going to have for lunch This tea I'm having. This I'm preparing for the other people in the house, for Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle is very angry today. देखो, just see how quarrelsome she is. रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. See, she's so angry today in the morning. Angry young woman. So let's done this. So this is getting done. This is getting done. Just 1 minute on it. So this is getting done. This is almost getting fried up. I have not put any chilies in that because my mom is going to take it and she doesn't like chilies much. This is done, and let's see. This is the poppy seed and mustard seed paste which I have put, which I showed you in the beginning, which I had got from the local grocery store. Here. This is done. This is done, and then let me put some water. Just coming back. So this I'm putting some water in this. Just yeah, it's done, and I will show you. This is to be done for 10 minutes. You can put it in high flame or in sim, doesn't matter. This is getting done. So this is almost done. This is almost done. And like I told, I'm also now have to go out. So I was having tea. So let me show you quickly because I'm finishing off this cooking and breakfast both together. See, now she has prepared good fluffy dosas that they are going to have, like my mom and she is going to have. I'm not going to have. Along with that, there is a cook. I also know how to make coconut chutneys, but now I'm not preparing today. This again not a promotional video. This is a coconut chutney from ID, and I will have the boiled eggs along with that. And uh, so many people are working in the kitchen right now. And then I have to prepare my lunch also, which I'm going to prepare in a jiffy in 10 minutes. So you can see the dosa, you can see this is getting prepared for lunch, and this I would leave as it is, because it is almost 9 o'clock now, and 9:30 I think, sorry. And I will take leave of the kitchen, and I also take leave of you. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and please always smile. It improves my face value as well as your face value. See ya. Bye. 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 Nice day. Bye. See ya.